Most people fail at buying a solar generator for one specific reason. They skip the basics. They buy too big, too small, or the wrong battery type entirely. Then they wonder why their setup fails during a blackout or a camping trip. Here is the fix. In the next 8 minutes, you will learn exactly how to choose the right portable solar generator. You will avoid every mistake that wastes your time and money. No fluff, no guesswork. Just a clear, proven approach that works from day one. Let's get into it. Here's what goes wrong most often. Buyer 1 purchases a cheap unit with a standard lithium-ion battery. It degrades fast and fails in cold weather. Buyer 2 overspends on a 2,000 watt-hour system they never actually needed. Buyer 3 buys without checking wattage requirements, then cannot run their CPAP or refrigerator when it counts. These are not rare stories. They are the most common mistakes in portable solar power. Every single one costs real money, sometimes $200, sometimes $500 or more. And every single one is 100% avoidable with the right information before you buy. The fix is simpler than you think. PortablePowerLife at PortablePowerLife.com solar-generators/ lays out a clear 4-step framework that works for any buyer. Step 1. Decide exactly what you need to power. Step 2. Choose the safest and most practical option that fits those needs. Step 3. Test it at small scale before relying on it fully. Step 4. Improve and expand from there. That is it. No guesswork, no overspending. This sequence works whether you are prepping for emergencies, heading out camping, or building a full off-grid setup. Let us talk about the standout option from PortablePowerLife, a 1,070 watt-hours Life P04 portable power station. It delivers 1,500 watts of AC output and 100 watts USB-C fast charging. The biggest win? It charges from 0% to 100% in just 1 hour. That matters enormously in emergencies when every minute counts. Life P04 chemistry is safer, lasts longer, and handles temperature swings far better than standard lithium-ion. This unit covers camping, RV trips, emergency backup, and off-grid living. That makes it the most versatile starting point on the PortablePowerLife hub, and the one most buyers should look at first. The second piece most buyers get wrong is the solar input side. A great power station means nothing if your panels are undersized or mismatched to the controller. PortablePowerLife guides you to pair your unit with compatible solar panels that maximize charge speed without overpowering the MPPT controller. For a 1070 watt-hours unit, you need enough panel wattage to complete a full charge during available daylight hours. The site breaks down exactly which panel configurations work best. You will never arrive at camp with a half-charged unit and no backup plan when you follow their pairing recommendations from the start. For emergency preparedness, the PortablePowerLife checklist makes the decision straightforward. You need a unit that powers critical devices, CPAP machines, refrigerators, medical equipment, routers, and lighting. The 1,500 watts AC output on their featured Life P04 station handles all of these simultaneously without compromise. The 1-hour full recharge time is a genuine game changer during extended grid outages. You can top it up from a car or generator quickly and get back to full capacity fast. Their quick checklist helps you confirm in under 2 minutes whether a unit covers your specific emergency power needs before you spend $1. For RV travelers and off-grid enthusiasts, PortablePowerLife identifies 3 strong starting options matched to different goals and budgets. The 1070 watt-hours Life EP04 unit is the anchor recommendation, reliable enough for multi-day off-grid use when paired correctly with solar panels. Their guides walk through how to build from this base. You will learn how to add panels, manage draw from appliances, and scale up your system over time without overbuilding. The core principle from the site is clear. Start with one goal, test at small scale, then improve. That approach prevents wasted spending from day one and keeps your setup practical. Here is why PortablePowerLife stands out from every other resource in the portable power space. Their solar generator hub gives you simple, practical guidance, not paid reviews padded with affiliate filler. They publish clear key terms so beginners understand exactly what they are buying before committing. Their pro tips section reveals what experienced buyers genuinely wish they had known earlier. Their common mistakes section alone could save you $200 or more on your first purchase. The entire site is built on one principle: give you enough real, honest information to make a confident decision. That level of transparency is rare, and it shows in every guide they publish. You now know the mistakes, you know the 4-step framework, you know exactly what to look for before you buy. The next step is simple. Go to PortablePowerLife.com solar-generators/right now. Use their quick picks to match a unit to your exact goal in under 5 minutes. Run through the checklist to confirm your power needs. Read the guide that matches your situation: camping, emergency, RV, or off-grid. Stop guessing and start with a plan that is already proven. The right portable solar generator is out there waiting for you. PortablePowerLife.com solar-generators/ is where you find it, without wasting a single dollar.